Hi everyone, I'm Heather with the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am thrilled to be with my friend Andrew of Toll Brothers, and we are in the beautiful gated community of Coastal Oaks at Nocatee, and Andrew's going to show us one of their beautiful models that you can come out and see today. Thanks for having us, Andrew.
Yep, thanks for being there. Come on in, let's take a look.
Let's go. I love this door, Andrew. Is this always a solid door, or do people have the glass door option?
We have plenty of options for the front door. Happens to be a solid door standardly. We have all different kinds of glass and stained doors that you can upgrade to.
I love the solid door though with the side lights.
You already have the side light
See, I do love that.
for being able to see who's coming to the door and having the light coming in and flooding all the way to the back. So this is our Terrano model in our Heritage Collection. This house sits at 3,100 square feet. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's one of our more open plans, which everybody tends to lean towards these days.
Very popular, and this really was a wow factor. When we walked in here, I'm excited for people to come and see this model and this option because it's, first of all, so expansive when you walk in. It just feels like it keeps going because of all the glass and the windows.
That's something that Toll is known for. We do a lot of windows. We do the bigger windows, so lots of natural light, and to really maximize your view out of the backyard. Most of our home sites do back up to the trees or a lake, so you can appreciate the view out the back. Plus, it just lets all that natural light into your home.
It does.
A happy lifestyle.
And what is this side room that Carling was just showing?
This is our office. Typically, it does come with double swinging doors, but we
Okay.
have these beautiful barn doors that people can select at our design studio.
Because the barn doors do look like artwork on the walls.
For
You
sure.
wouldn't want to close it. But it is nice that you do have this office option. It is on the first floor because we want to remind people we're in a 2-story home. And so many of the Nocatee residents are working out of their homes now. And even in retirement age, they're doing these other projects, you know, whether they're realtors, selling items online, but having that office is so important.
Yep, the other use that we found that people have used that room for is a downstairs bonus room, a little place for the kids to hang out that mom and dad can still peek in on them.
I like that
Sure.
option. Yeah, like a playroom. That would be great too. And with this dining room, so you still can have your china and your formal dining room furniture if you choose. However, because Toll didn't put that solid wall to make it a separate space, it really just gathers into that open floor plan into the kitchen. So you're not leaving your guests.
Yes, so you have a dining space if you need it. It's wide open and part of the rest of the house. So it's a more casual feel, not that stuffy formal dining room feel to it. And people have found other uses for this space because the breakfast area is quite large. You can fit a full-size table there. We've seen libraries, bars, pool tables, even a second office set up out here in this big open space.
Oh, I definitely put a bar. I mean, that would be really neat, a wraparound bar. This kitchen, Carling, I know you just showed me earlier, but we got to go into this kitchen. Because to me, this is just knocking my socks off.
Yes, I'm glad that you said so. So Toll's very, very proud of the standard kitchen that we offer. We do the gourmet kitchen layout. This is a natural gas community, so we do a 5-burner gas cooktop, upper hood vent, vents to the outside. We have the microwave and oven stack that's built right into the cabinetry. We do all full extend, soft close drawers. All the doors are soft close as well.
So that's standard, Andrew.
Included features, yes.
I love that.
Yep.
Love that. And look at the crisp white lines. But Andrew's going to tell you, you can go to that Toll Design Center and you're going to have tons of choices in cabinetry. You don't just have to do white.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned our design studio because we opened a brand new one this year. It just opened up in February, and it will absolutely blow you away. It is divine, and we've upgraded all of the selections, so it's our current and fresh, a lot of light colors and a lot of coastal flair.
I'm excited. I want to go see that design center. It's still not far from Nocatee. It's literally right outside the community.
Maybe it takes you 10 minutes to get there. Yep,
See,
just
I love
like US
that.
one.
I think y'all needed that because this community is so big, you have so much to offer. I felt your current design center, you couldn't even show it all. Now you got even more.
Yes.
Okay, look at this island too. I love this island. As Andrew was saying, plenty of people, they only have 3 chairs, but in all honesty, you could quickly fit 5 chairs very comfortably. And also, if you're showed this dining space.
Yeah, Connie, make sure you get the fact that there are 2 light fixtures there. That's something else that's really cool that Toll Brothers will do is work with the electrical plan. If you have specific designs in mind, we can accommodate shifting the electrical boxes around to make it match exactly your style.
So Toll Brothers really is a custom home builder because you realize that's semi-custom because you get that floor plan, you get the shell, but you can maybe move some electrical around, or I know if you have some special needs,
Yes.
wheelchairs, things like that,
For
please
sure.
know
Yep.
Toll will work with you.
Yep. And we've got hundreds of options that we offer that you can just check a box and plop it in the house.
All right, you got to show us this outside. Andrew, show us how this works, this door.
So pretty much all of our homes will have sliding glass doors that will empty out into a covered lanai in the back. And they'll all slide like this and stack all at once. So you can have it open, maybe in the cooler months. And it really just brings the outside in and basically doubles your living space.
Absolutely. I mean, this is the most outstanding backyard. The amount of pavers, and again, Toll Brothers is just showing you this amazing paver package, this outdoor space. Look, you've got the fire pit in the corner. So you don't have to have a pool, even though, of course, a Coastal Oaks lot can provide you a pool space.
Correct.
But why don't you need a pool in Coastal Oaks, Andrew?
Because we have our own. So Coastal Oaks is the only family-friendly, gated, manned community that has its own private amenities. So here we have 2 pools, plus a little baby splash pool. We have our own tennis courts, ball fields, playgrounds. We have a beautiful clubhouse, a workout facility, nature walks, boardwalks, all of that exclusive to our residents here in Coastal Oaks.
So that's really appealing whether you're an adult, like an empty nester, or if you've got kids. Both of those, all those features really appeal to the adults and the children, which is so nice.
For sure, yep. So a lot of people find a benefit in creating this backyard space and just working it in with the house project instead of having to wait and do it all and tear it up afterwards. It becomes part of the purchase price. You can mortgage it if you want. So people have found a big benefit in that.
I agree, because you know what? I unfortunately did it after the fact, Andrew. This is just beautiful. And again, look at this open floor plan. Now, can you have a fireplace in the Terrano model?
Yes. Fireplace, we do a gas fireplace. We have 2 different styles. We've got the traditional style with a mantle and a tile surround. We can upgrade to that more contemporary linear style fireplace as well. All kinds of finishes on the face. We can do tile, we can do stone, we can do paneling, shiplap, all that fun stuff.
Are you finding a lot of buyers? Are they going away from the fireplace, or is it half and half? What are you seeing with some of the buyers right now?
It all depends on where they're coming from. So they come from up north, they're used to having one, they prefer to have one, and they can have one.
Yeah, it's true. You don't really need it though here.
No, yeah,
it's more of another piece of artwork in your home.
Exactly. Ambiance, hang stockings, what have you.
Okay, this I love. So is this a laundry room on the first floor?
It is not. This is a mud room.
Are you kidding? This is the biggest mud room, honestly, I feel like I've ever been in. That doesn't have a laundry room also.
Correct.
You
Yep.
really expect that when you walk into these spaces right off the garage.
Yep, right off the garage. A great place to just drop your whatever that you're walking in the house with.
I mean, look at that. And a closet so you can hide stuff. But I mean, this is massive. Or if you have dogs, you could
I was
put
just
a
gonna
great,
say, yep.
could you put a little wash station in there? I bet Toll would do that if you wanted to.
Yep, we've done the doggy showers before, yep. Or at least it's a place to put the pillow where they can sleep at night.
Yeah, because Coastal Oaks now has its own dog park.
That is correct.
So being dog friendly, very, very popular here. And lots of boardwalks, trails, lots of exercise space.
It is all about outdoor living.
That is, I love this. Okay, and then with this downstairs room, this would be great if you do have, whether it's multi-generational living or you just have your mom, dad, older parents coming to stay with you to visit, this would be a great space to live in.
Yes.
So as we're walking up the stairs, because we're going to go upstairs now, and there's even more in this house. Andrew told you some of the great points to Coastal Oaks, but upstairs is not only the spare bedrooms, but we've got a master bedroom on the second floor.
That is correct.
So there are a lot of benefits to having all of your main living bedrooms on that second floor. Tell me some of the things people talk to you about.
So I do have to say that this particular floor plan has made the master bedroom upstairs cool again, for sure. We've had plenty of people come in and say we absolutely have to have the master down. They come into this model and they're absolutely blown away about how well the space is used, how comfortable they feel with all the bedrooms being upstairs and having that wide open space downstairs just for the everyday living.
And the noise, think about that. So if you're somebody, let's just say you yourself are a night owl, you're not interrupting everybody, because when you do have that master on the first floor, a lot of times you're hearing that television or you're hearing your kids, talking. And by everyone coming upstairs, you really do have this peaceful sleeping retreat area.
Retreat sanctuary, absolutely. We've heard it described all different ways.
Okay, so Carling actually, and we'll get the loft on the way back, Carling, because let's focus on one side of the house. We've got these two great bedrooms.
Yeah, 11 by 13. They're both the same size, opposite side of the house than the master. So it gives some good separation.
Storage.
Lots of storage, and this does not, I first thought this was a linen closet. It's not. This can, I mean, it can be, but this really can be for board games, just storage if you do have children. Because in the bathroom, the full bath right here, look, a huge linen closet actually. Nice size linen closet.
Yeah, it's a great big shared bath, 2 sinks in the vanities. The window makes it bright and cheery. Got the tub shower combination.
This is a really, really appealing floor plan. I love this. I really do. And also with Toll Brothers, you offer different collections. So Coastal Oaks is a, high-end, luxurious neighborhood. However, they really do have something for everybody. So please come out to Coastal Oaks. Don't think you just can't come out here because all they have these, 3,000, 4,000 square foot homes. They have something, they try to have something for everybody. So they can really get everybody in here.
Yeah, I would have to say this community offers the greatest variety in sizes and price points and even exterior styles. I know the coastal style is all the rage and we do offer a lot of those exteriors. We have a lot of buyers that still expect to see the more traditional Florida stucco, Mediterranean style elevations, and we do still offer those here as well.
You do, that's important to say.
Right.
So you don't have to just get hardy boards, you can get the stucco home, so you have both options in Coastal Oaks.
Correct, yep, and we mix them together and they look beautiful. It mixes up the streetscape. We feel it adds a lot of value to the properties here.
I agree, and I love this. So laundry room, so we're right off of that master suite. You've got the laundry room, but if you do have, whether it's guests, children, young children, adult children, it's nice that, again, the laundry room is on that second floor, because I honestly, when I walked in, I thought it was going to be on the first floor.
Well, we like to think we were logical as well, and that all the clothes are going to be up here with the bedroom, so why not put the laundry room?
I love it. Okay, this room is amazing. Look at the beautiful ceiling. Can you get that?
Yeah.
Now, do buyers have different options with their ceiling design?
Yes, the tray ceiling is an option. We've got different beam styles that they can add on the inside. Crown molding, wall trim, all that stuff is available through our design studio. This is a super luxurious master suite with the double door entry. We've got the sitting area that's part of the floor plan. Big windows, lots of windows.
Lots and lots of natural light, even just throughout the whole home. Now, I love this bathroom. I love the color scheme, by the way, that your designer did.
Yes, so, and this is a good representation of what our design studio looks like with all these different fancy pieces. We offer the freestanding tubs. We've got this big rectangular 6-foot tub. We also offer a 5-foot oval tub.
You've got the frameless glass. Look at that. Oh, and there's no door on the other side. You just walk into that shower.
Yep.
Oh, Carly, can you even get that?
Oh, how
I
cool.
love that. Sorry, Andrew, just caught my eye. And I do love the little optional, is that an optional window or that window will be there? I love that window in the shower.
The window is there depending on which exterior style you select. We do also offer a bonus room, an additional room upstairs in here that would sit in front of that window.
Okay. You're going to hear Carly, do I need to back
Yep,
out?
I want to.
And then, because I want you to go into this closet. Now, this is a nice walk-in closet. Everybody knows I love a closet.
Oh,
Huge
man.
closet.
This is beautiful. A great, big closet. And I like that you put, different types of shelving in here to show the options. But there's so much you can do in this space.
There really is.
I can see why this is one of your more popular floor plans, for sure.
It's our hottest plan right now.
Oh, I love
Believe it or
that.
not.
Well, then you better come out quickly because it's going to sell out. So again, I want to remind people, we are in the Gated with Guard, family-friendly community of Coastal Oaks, having its own pools, dog parks, playgrounds, tennis courts, resident club. Lots and lots of options to choose from within the different models. Yes, they have 3 model homes, correct?
3 model homes from each of the different collections that we offer.
But lots and lots of floor plans, so you need to come out. This is Andrew, been with Toll Brothers forever.
12 years.
One of my
here.
favorite people, so
Thanks.
I want to thank you so much
Of course,
for
thank
having
you.
us, and we need to come out again soon and see a quick move-in if you ever get one. They're just so hot.
We sell them too quickly. Now, we have 900 home sites. When all is said and done, we have less than 100, so...
Wow.
way too
That's
long.
important. So less than 100 home sites if you do want this kind of community. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the Park Group. We're in Nocatee. Bye, guys.
Bye.